Hi everybody, Annelie van Wyk speaking. How are you doing today? I am so excited. I want to tell you about this fantastic opportunity that I got hold of, that I found, unbelievable. Anyway, it is Power Lead System. Power Lead System 2018. Why Power Lead System 2018? Because that's my future. That is what I believe in. That is, it makes my heart throb. It makes me excited. And all the years I've been working for a boss, 9 to 5, 9 to 5, 9 to 5, since I was 40 year varsity. It was almost 40 years. I've been working for a boss, and I'm enriching a boss. Now, why would I want to enrich a boss if I can enrich myself? But that mindset wasn't there 40 years ago. When I was a child, my father said, you become a secretary or you become a teacher. Those were the two options for a girl my age. There was no option of internet or any one of those things. And unfortunately, no Power Lead System. Power Lead System 2018 is the best that ever happened to me. I'm telling you, I believe in this business. I believe in this business. I believe in what I'm doing. It's a huge blessing that I got a hold of this business. Unfortunately, it only happened now when I retired. Retired? Retired. I believe in what I'm doing. I'm excited every morning. I can't get to the office. What do you mean? I even started making live videos in the morning. Not every morning, but that's totally out of my comfort zone. And what I like about Power Lead System, it is duplicatable. It's like a good recipe that your grandma had. If it's duplicatable, why do you want to change it? Why do you want to change something that's fixed? That's not broken. You duplicate that same recipe over and over and over. And you make money even out of it. And you can bake plenty cakes if you want to. But it is, you brand yourself and you duplicate yourself. Now, those are the most important things. So by the way, before we carry on, look at the bottom of your screen. Please like my video. Please subscribe to my video and follow me in my growth. That is exciting. Please. And make a comment if you want to. You're welcome. Bad, good. If it's a bad one, I'm still a beginner. If it's a good one, thanks for you. I'll answer you on that one. I believe in Power Lead System because Power Lead System, I know it takes a little time to get the ball on the roll, and once it starts to snowball, it rolls and rolls and rolls and rolls and rolls and rolls and become bigger and bigger and bigger until you don't know what to do with all your commission. And it's so exciting, even though you don't go out and talk to people. You're on the internet. And there's very, very nice people out there. There's fantastic people there. They're warm people. They don't have to be extroverts, all of them, or introverts to sit behind a computer. I'm an extrovert, and I love people. And this way, I'm speaking to people all over the world, and we join in what we are doing. And if Power Lead System has got a Facebook group. Now, if you've got a query and you don't know how to do something, you just type it into this Facebook group, and any one of the coaches or the clever people answers you, and your problem is solved. So why Power Lead System 2018? I'm asking you. Why not? Because it is just and I don't want to talk long today. Already 4 minutes, almost 5 minutes. And I just want to get back to doing my business, to get into my internet, my Facebook, my emails, just start speaking to the people. I'm so excited. Now, I'm just going to finish off Next time I'll talk about the compensation plan and the other things tomorrow. But today I just want to say Power Lead System is the best system you can get. Power Lead System 2018. Again, this is the answer for any business. It is the answer because you duplicate, you brand, a Power Lead System don't even have to be your primary business. You use it as to promote your other businesses. And you just make money, even though you're not even branding it. You're just making use of this marketing tool. You know what Power Lead System's about. That's why you're here. But now you must excuse me, because why? Power Lead System 2018 is waiting for me. Why? Because I'm blessed. I'm happy. I'm excited. So, please subscribe at the bottom, like it, follow me, and the link will be at the bottom as well. Hit that link, start filling in your form. Let's get to business. Let's sign up and let's make money together. And thank you for your time and thanks for watching. Ciao. Bye.